Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Yeah, my name's Patrick, and we got 4 ZB515s, 2 SCB 7500s on 95 amp hours of C-Max lithium. Amps are at 0.35.
Woo. Wow. Have you metered it?
It did a 160 at 35 hertz.
Really? Whoa.
In the kick.
Oh my gosh. Congrats, man.
Yeah.
Wow, you've gone a long way. Okay. Wow. Are you happy with it?
Yeah. I think it's about as far as I can go in this Jeep. You know.
Have you broken your glass at all?
Well, I did. I'll tell you how. So I read on the internet that I read this thing about this being the rear view mirror being a weak point on the windshield, right? So I wanted to take it off, and apparently it was a weak point. As soon as I touched the window, boom, the whole thing was killed. So I had a new one put in and did not put one on.
I love to hear it, man. You ready?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.